So in one of my other episodes you saw me take the flywheel off of this. I'm going to be replacing this stator. Like I said in my other episode, I feel that this is what's causing some of my power loss issues. It's not generating power correctly. So you can see here, this is the original stator. I've got a new stator here from PDI Electronics. Looks quite a bit different, as you can see here. It doesn't have a lot of that casing on it, but it looks like our plugs and wires and everything are the same. So I'm going to be swapping this out with the new one. Okay, there's 3 bolts and it lifts right off. There's 2 different bundles of wires coming off of this. I've already cut the wire tie on here. There's one that's got a plug on it, and there's one that's got 2 power supplies that connect to this terminal here. Okay, so I've got my power connectors on here. I've got my plug plugged in here. I've zip tied my wires back together. Just want to make sure all this linkage still works correctly, because there are some moving items in here that are near those wires. Okay, that all looks good, so it's time to put the flywheel back on now. Okay, everything seems to be okay here, so it's time to test it out. All right, it's March 11th, about 48 degrees outside. I'm gonna go ahead and give this baby a test. Still don't know what I got on here. It's something big. Got it on a jerkbait. Been fighting it for a few minutes now. Cannot tire it out. Not got to look at its side yet to see what it is. Man, it will not come up. My guess is a big cat. Oh, I just lost it. Just lost it. Not sure what it was. Was thinking it was a big cat. Another nice one right there. To it. Not a bad slab right there, caught on a live minnow. I'm gonna keep fishing. Okay, well, ran it cold, ran pretty well. Whole shot was pretty good. Once it warmed up, it did drop from about 28 to 30 miles per hour on the top end down to about 24. So it was very clear to me that once it heated up, that power pack, I guess, is starting to fail. So the Stator's replaced now. I'll add the power pack to that. I've already got new spark plugs in it, so that'll be the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these slabs up and eat them for dinner and think about my next steps.